Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. You are on day 15 of our 30 days spoken English challenge. Today we are going to unlock the mastery of English tenses. Understanding tenses is essential for speaking English fluently. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. What are tenses? Tenses tell us the time of an action, past, present, or future. In English, we have 12 tenses. They are divided into three categories. 1. Present tenses, 4 types. 2. Past tenses, 4 types. 3. Future tenses, 4 types. Part 2. Present tenses. Simple present. I eat an apple for every day. Present continuous. I am eating an apple now. Present perfect. I have eaten an apple. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating an apple for 10 minutes. Part 3. Past tenses. Simple past. I ate an apple yesterday. Past continuous. I was eating an apple when you called. Past perfect. I had eaten an apple before you arrived. Past perfect continuous. I had been eating an apple for 10 minutes before you arrived. Part 4. Future tenses. Simple future. I will eat an apple tomorrow. Future continuous. I will be eating an apple at this time tomorrow. Future perfect. I will have eaten an apple before you arrive. Future perfect continuous. I will have been eating an apple for 10 minutes before you arrived. Part 5. Common mistakes and tips. Mistakes. I go to market yesterday. Correct. I went to market yesterday. Mistake. I am go to school now. Correct. I am going to school now. Tip. Always match the verb from with the correct tense. Now that you know the 12 tenses, try using them in your daily conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.